What's up, Jesters? Welcome to another video where today we're gonna be baking. It's not my idea, it was yours. Yeah, today we're gonna be baking the Nutella lava cake thing in a mug. This was honestly not my idea, it was Discord, okay? Yeah, let's hop into this. I actually already know this recipe because I'm smart and I like yummy things, so I'm gonna be going fast. You better keep up with this or play the video slowly, okay? It's not my fault if you missed something. Alright, so what you're gonna need for this is a mug. I've got this beautiful mug with a bee and a bird on it because birds are adorable. It won't focus, dude. Why won't it focus? It's a cute bird. Some butter, some milk, brown sugar, flour, cocoa powder, Nutella or however you want to say it. Nutella. I know they say Nutella, but I don't know, man. Vanilla extract and some salt. You salty, bro? Alright, we're gonna start by getting like 2 tablespoons of butter and putting it in the mug. I would suggest like chopping it up like I did in there, because then that will make it easier to melt. You want to go and put this in the microwave for short intervals of time and get it completely melted. Let me do that real quick. You want your butter like mostly melted like this, and then you're gonna take your milk and you're gonna take a tablespoon like this, and then you're gonna go and put like 2 tablespoons of milk in there. Alright, we done with that. You can see that there are little like beads of milk and stuff. It looks really weird. Don't worry about that. You're gonna go over here and we're gonna get tablespoons of brown sugar. We're gonna get 4 of these. Make sure you tightly pack it, like not how I'm doing it right now. It should look something like this. Take a spoon and pack it down very tight. And then you're gonna go and put that right in there. Repeat 4 times. Alright, now we're gonna take a spoon. I've got this little tiny spoon and we're just gonna mix it up until that seems pretty combined. It's really just gonna, the sugar's just gonna dissolve at this point, but it's fine. Then do exactly what you just did with the brown sugar, but with the flour, except for don't pack it down this time because you don't want to do that with flour. It'll create like lumps and stuff. Alright, so now you've got your 4 tablespoons of brown sugar and 4 tablespoons of flour in there. You just want to mix that up until that's combined. It should be kind of starting to make more of a doughy consistency. You want to mix this until there are no more lumps, and then add the cocoa powder. Now, 2 tablespoons of lit cocoa powder. Let me make this not a ton. And just put that right in there. Just like that. Of course, I am approximating because I am so good. But yeah, about a tablespoon. Just like that. And then mix that up once again until it's fully combined. And that is your chocolate cake / brownie mix done. It should be something like this consistency, and just look like chocolate cake. No eggs in this recipe, which is really cool. But now you want to add in your vanilla and your salt, because these will just kind of make it taste better. You've also got to be careful when adding these. You want just a little tiny dribble of vanilla, just like this. Like, so little that you can't even see it. Just a single drop, trust me. A little bit of vanilla goes a long freaking way. And then, depending on your salt shaker size, just shake it in a few times. I mean, that was probably too much, but you know, just a few shakes. Not much. Mix up! Alright, now for the final step, which is the beautiful, beautiful Nutella. So we're gonna get another spoon, something like this size, something reasonable sized. And open this. I need more than one hand. We're gonna open this up. We got our Nutella. We're gonna get a reasonable sized scoop of it. Like, I don't know. Just whatever suits you. Not too much, though. And then we're gonna put it back in the container, because we haven't done anything to the actual cake yet. What we want to do is, I know you guys can't see this well because it's terrible exposure, but try to just create like a divot in the center by smoothing everything towards the edges. I don't know how else to explain this. But just try to like make a hole in the center. And then this next step is kind of hard, so I gotta have 2 hands for it. But you blop the Nutella into the center of the whole thing on here, and then you want to go and take the spoon and get the stuff from the outsides, like right there and all around the outside, and you want to blop it on top of the Nutella so that it creates like a pocket of Nutella in the middle. Now another easier way of doing this would probably just be to take some of the batter at the beginning and just take it out and like put it in a dish aside. I didn't do that, so I did the harder route. But yeah, if you just go and put some in a dish on the side, you can go and just put that on top of the Nutella afterwards. So that's kind of a smarter way of doing this, but I didn't do that. Anyway, it should look something like this at the end. The lighter bits are the Nutella, and as you can see, there are only like 2 little smears of them. So I pretty well covered it up. Now you're just gonna microwave this for like 30 seconds. Make sure it's a microwave safe mug, otherwise you done goofed. Microwave 45 and start. 45 seconds, boys.
I found the candy. It's such a pretty sight. It makes the food taste dandy, but my tummy hurts all night.
I'll put in some ingredients, but keep the rest for me. I'm not just disobedient, I'm careful, can't you see?
3, 2, 1. It's done. Alright. Now you want to grab it and look inside. If it looks like this, you are most likely done. If it doesn't look like this, you're going to want to go ahead and put it in for another few seconds. Around 15 seconds should do it. But yeah, you want to see these little like dimples and stuff on it. You see that? It's good. And that's when it's fully cooked. I'm going to go and put this in for like another 10 seconds because it looks like there are some uncooked bits. But keep in mind that if it's partially uncooked, it still tastes good and it's completely edible because there's no raw egg.
It's a piece of cake, it's like a pretty cake. It's the way it's hazy. You gotta do the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy. The cake will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you have...
And you hear it sizzling. It looks perfect. Look at that. And now you just enjoy with a spoon, but let it cool first, because this thing is gonna melt your face off. Look at that molten center, dude. Look at that, dude. Look at that! So, yeah. Cooking lessons with Punster, I guess. Thank you, everybody, for watching this. This was fun to make, and it was simple. And if you want to see more random stuff like this, join my Discord server and give me some suggestions for what to do next, because why not, dude? But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.